This distance here is 12. From here to here is 12. This line is tangent to this circle at this point. This line is tangent to this circle at this point, and the two circles are tangent to each other, as you can see here. So the radius for each of the two circles is r, meaning they are identical. They are the same. So they're telling us to find the length AB. Okay. Sorry, we've been given length AB as 13. Okay. AB is 13 and they want us to find the radius r. So let's let the center of this one be O and let this center be C. Let's join center O to center C. So we join the two centers. Next, let's extend this perpendicular BC to this line here. We extend it all the way. So this is 90 degrees. Let's call this point M. Let's also draw a perpendicular from O to this line, CM. So this is 90 degrees. Let this point here be N. Now, BM is equal to BC plus CN plus NM. Okay, now we're given we have BM here, we're given BM as 12. So this will be 12 is equal to BC is R plus CN, we don't know, plus NM. NM is equal to OA, which is R. So this is also R. So plus R. Okay, so we have 12 is equal to 2R plus CN. Therefore, our CN will be equal to 12 minus 2R. Now, next, let's focus on triangle ABM. This one here. Triangle ABM. So this is 90 degrees. Our AM, we don't have it. BM is 12. And AB was given as 13. So this is 13. As you can see, it's a right angle triangle. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to solve. So A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Our A is AM. So AM squared plus our B is 12. This is equal to our C is 13. 13 squared. AM squared plus this is 144 is equal to 169. So AM squared is equal to 169 minus 144. And AM squared gives us 25. So we find the square root on both sides. And our AM is 5. So here it's 5. But remember, AM is equal to ON. So ON is also equal to 5. Now next, focusing on this triangle CON. Triangle CON. ON is 5. CN, we got it as 12 minus 2R. Then our OC, as you can see, from this point to this point is R. From this point to this point is R. So OC is 2R. So let's use Pythagoras here as well A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So our A is 5, so 5 squared plus our B is 12 minus 2R squared is equal to, our C is 2R. This is also squared. Now from A minus B squared being equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. First of all, 5 squared is 25, plus expanding this in this form gives us 144 minus 48R plus 4R squared. So this is equal to 2 squared is 4, then R squared. Okay, so you can see 4R squared here, 4R squared here, so they cancel out. So I left with 25 plus 44 gives us 169. So we take the negative 48R on the other side. So this is equal to 48R. So 48R is equal to 169. Divide both sides by 48. And so our R is equal to, or approximately, equal to 3.52. So the radius for the two circles is 3.52. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Bye.